In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do Freshbooks free trial. If you want to try Freshbooks without paying right away, this walkthrough will help you get started quickly and correctly. Follow along at your own pace, and pause the video if you need a moment to read what is on the screen. First, go to freshbooks.com. This is the official website where the free trial option is located. When you arrive on the homepage, take a quick look so you know you are in the right place before you continue. Next, click Try It Free. This button is usually designed to lead you straight into the sign-up flow. After you click it, the page will typically guide you to create an account, so you can begin using the trial features. Now you will be asked to enter your email address and a password. At this stage, enter your information carefully so you can log in later without any issues. If the page shows any password requirements, make sure your password meets them. Once your email and password are entered, you are ready to move to the next step. After that, click Create Account. This action submits your details and starts setting up your Freshbooks account. Depending on your browser and connection, it may take a moment to finish. When it loads, you should see the account creation complete and a path toward your trial dashboard. Sometimes people prefer an alternative way to sign up, so if you want other way, you can use the Google option to connect your account. To do that, click the Google button to start the connection process. You will then be prompted to choose the correct Google account and approve the connection. This is a convenient option if you want fewer forms to fill out. Once you have completed the sign-in method, the next part is setting up your business details. Enter your business name and industry type. Use your real business name if possible, because this helps Freshbooks organize your information from the start. For the industry type, choose the option that best matches what you do. If you are not sure, select the closest match available, since it can influence how certain suggestions or templates are set up. After entering those details, click Save and Continue. This step is important because it confirms the information you provided and moves you forward into the next setup stage. When you click it, Freshbooks will prepare your workspace for you. Finally, you should reach your dashboard. This is where you can begin using Freshbooks during your trial, such as exploring invoices, settings, and other features. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. If anything looks different from what you expected, that is normal because Freshbooks may tailor elements based on what you entered for your business and industry. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.